Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into another important everyday conversation topic. Whether you're chatting with friends, discussing current events, or navigating daily situations, it's crucial to have the right vocabulary and grammar tools at your fingertips. Let's explore today's topic together and enhance our conversational skills. Let's begin. Everyday conversations mastery, essential language practices. Vocabulary. Let's listen to the words and match them to their meanings together. Organize, schedule, budget, venue, caterer, decorations, invitation, fundraising, guest list, itinerary. A plan for managing money, to arrange or put together an event. The location where an event takes place. Items used to make a place look nice. A list of people invited to an event. A person or company that provides food for events. A request to attend an event. A plan that lists the times and dates of activities. A detailed plan or schedule for an event. Collecting money for a cause. Quick grammar reminder. Let's carefully examine the grammar points before moving on to the conversation scene. Future perfect. This tense is used to describe an action that will be completed before a specific time in the future. It shows a connection between the future and a completed action. Structure. Subject plus will have plus past participle. Example, by the time the guests arrive, we will have prepared everything. Phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are 2- or 3-word phrases that include a verb and a preposition or adverb, creating a meaning different from the individual words. Set up, to arrange or prepare something. Go over, to review something carefully. Put together, to assemble or create something by combining different parts. Example, we need to set up the tables before the guests arrive. Let's go over the final details before printing the invitations. We need to put together the budget plan for the event. Scene. The event planning team gathers for a final meeting to ensure every detail of the upcoming charity gala is perfectly organized. With only a week left, they discuss the venue, catering, decorations, and fundraising goals to make the night a success. Characters. Elena, event coordinator. Daniel, assistant planner. Sophia, volunteer coordinator. Let's pay close attention as we listen to the conversations.
All right, team. We have just 1 week left before the charity gala. We need to organize everything perfectly. Let's start by discussing the venue.
I've checked a few places, and the Grand Hall seems like the best option. It's spacious, elegant, and within our budget.
That sounds great. Have we confirmed a caterer yet?
Yes, I spoke to them yesterday. By the time the event starts, they will have set up all the food stations.
Perfect. Now, let's go over the schedule for the evening. We need to make sure everything runs smoothly.
I agree. We should also create a detailed itinerary so everyone knows their roles.
Good idea. I'll also put together the final guest list by tomorrow.
What about the decorations? Do we have a theme?
Yes. The theme is a night of giving. We'll use elegant gold and navy blue decorations to match the gala's purpose.
Sounds amazing. And I assume the invitations have already been sent out?
Yes, most of them. But we should follow up to confirm attendance. One last thing. Do we have a photographer or videographer for the event? It would be great to capture the highlights for future promotions and thank you messages.
Yes, I've arranged for a photographer, and we'll also have a videographer to record key moments, like speeches and donation announcements. Also, we need to focus on the fundraising part. By the end of the night, we will have raised enough money for the charity.
Exactly. Let's stay on track and go over everything once more tomorrow. We've got this.
Questions section. Let's review what we've learned. Read the sentences below and fill in the blanks correctly. 1. By this time next year, Maria blank complete her master's degree and will be looking for a job. 2. We blank reach our fundraising goal by the end of the event if everyone contributes. 3. When you arrive at the airport, I blank book a hotel for us in advance. 4. By the time the concert begins, the staff blank prepare the stage and tested all the equipment. 5. By 10 p.m., the guests blank leave and we can start cleaning up the venue. Time to test your knowledge. Complete the sentences below by filling in the blanks with the correct answers. Follow up, arranged for, put together, set up, go over. 1. Before the conference starts, we need to blank the meeting room with chairs and microphones. 2. Sarah spent hours trying to blank a perfect gift basket for the charity auction. 3. After sending out the job applications, don't forget to blank with a phone call or email. 4. Let's blank the financial report one more time to make sure everything is accurate. 5. We have already blank transportation for the special guests, so they don't need to worry about getting to the venue. That's it for today's conversation topic. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases and grammar points in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more language tips and practice. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.